Essential Oils Aromatherapy Top 4 Starter Set Kit. Experience nature's ultimate gift with the Essential Oils Kit with Aromatic Essences of Plants. Remarkably affect your well-being, improve the environment around you. Countries of origin: lavender oil USA, France; peppermint India; tea tree oil Australia; eucalyptus China. Finally, pure therapeutic grade essential oils that can help you achieve physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. Perfect for a gift and for you too. Terra Essential Scents Massage and Aromatherapy Soy Candle. Terra Essential Scents Massage and Aromatherapy Soy Candle Nag Champa 12 ounces. Terra Essential Scents Massage and Aromatherapy Soy Candle Nag Champa contains a meditative and sensual blend of natural and essential oils with a sodalite gemstone. The hand selection and placement of the sodalite gemstone is a unique and special feature of Terra Essential Scents Massage and Aromat. Menthol Muscle Pain Relief, Essential Care Oils Muscle Pain. This remedy is beneficial for individuals who experience muscle tightness, cramps, delayed onset muscle soreness, and mild sprains. This formula may interfere with homeopathic remedies. Spray the Bitch Away Aromatherapy Spray for PMS. An aromatherapy spray for when you're irritated, pissed off, annoyed, tired, peeved, frustrated, enraged, and have an overall bad attitude. I'm a bitch sometimes, especially during PMS. This spray was created with those times in mind and with some of my favorite oils. To help with PMS, hot flashes, menopausal issues, and overall general bitchiness, the two oils considered to be the best for those issues: rose geranium and clary sage. Thenad lavender, bergamot, and frankincense, which all have a calming effect. Amber or clear glass spray bottle, empty, refillable. This water bottle is worth every red cent. It has a very sturdy nozzle and it does everything it says it will do. This bottle is glass, so that is a plus. I needed this bottle for my hair and it has the absolute best mist option. Below I provided videos to show that this bottle meets your misting needs or your streaming needs. Enjoy. Disclaimer: I can only upload one video per review, so I will show the streaming option. Please trust that the misting option is as great. The biggest reason I am purchasing and giving the bottle 5 whole stars. E4U empty spray bottle for essential oils, aromatherapy and. I previously reviewed these bottles and reported difficulty with the sprayer. Since I've used the other bottles and found that the sprayers just tend to be a little stiff. The length of the tube that goes into the bottle is perfect and the color is just as it's pictured. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my bottles, even if it can be a bit tough to press down on the sprayer. Meishanja 300 ml wooden grain aromatherapy essential oil diffuser with. I have absolutely horrible sinuses. Almost daily I have severe dryness and pain that leads to full-blown sinus headaches. About a year ago, I started using essential oil diffusers, humidifiers, both at work and at night while sleeping. What a difference they have made. I actually purchased this particular diffuser to replace the one I use in my bedroom at night. My current diffuser is a 120 ml capacity and stays on about 6 hours. I assumed with the 300 ml capacity that this diffuser has that I would be getting twice the running time. Not the case. On continuous mode it only diffuses the 6 hours too. Also, even with the main light off, it still lets off too much light to use in our bedroom. It's amazing how the tiny little power light lit up the room. So, alas, I have brought it into work to use at my desk. I like the look, the different colored lights changing is relaxing, and on the 6-hour mode it really diffuses a lot of humidification and aroma from the essential oils I add. I'm just disappointed I could not use it in my bedroom at night. Otherwise, a nice diffuser. I received this product at a discounted rate for my honest and unbiased review. I rely heavily on reviews when making purchases, and I pride myself in providing honest feedback. If you found my review helpful, please select the yes button. Thank you. Beauty Aura 100% Pure Lavender Essential Oil 2. Premium quality oil. Beauty Aura Lavender Essential Oil is extracted by steam distillation of stem, leaves and flower tops or lavender plant. Follow strict guidelines to protect the natural properties of the oil during extraction and packaging. The oil is therapeutic grade for maximum potency. All Beauty Aura essential oils are packaged in USA to ensure best quality. Versatile solution. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils. Lavender oil is known for its soothing and calming properties. Because of its impressive level of quality, the lavender oil lets you experience the full benefits of the sweet, floral aroma. It can be used in aromatherapy, DIY beauty products, air fresheners, laundry sprays, green cleaning products and much more. Perfect oil to use in a aromatherapy diffuser. Indulge in the soothing aroma of Beauty Aura Lavender Essential Oil by diffusing it in an aromatherapy diffuser. Lavender oil may also be blended with oils like bergamot, black pepper, cedarwood, chamomile, clary sage, clove, eucalyptus, geranium, grapefruit, juniper, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, tea tree, thyme, etc. 100% pure, never diluted. Beauty Aura Lavender Essential Oil is 100% pure. Never dilute the essential oils with preservatives or any liquid. In every bottle of Beauty Aura Lavender Essential Oil you will get 100% pure lavender oil. So, if want to create your own products with lavender oil, Beauty Aura Lavender Oil is your best choice. Freshness assured. Beauty Aura Lavender Essential Oil comes in an amber-colored glass bottle to block the light and keep the oil fresh. The beautiful purple flowers of the lavender or Lavandula angustifolia have been used for centuries in the Mediterranean for its sweet floral aroma. Today, lavender essential oil is most commonly used in aromatherapy and DIY products. Beauty Aura 100% pure lavender essential oil allows you to discover the amazing benefits of lavender. Plant Therapy Tea Tree Organic Essential Oil 100%. Plant Therapy Tea Tree Organic Essential Oil. Leaf oil. Looking for an organic antiseptic? Let tea tree organic be your answer. Tea tree oil can aid in treating acne, dandruff, and other skin-related issues. Properly diluted, it can be added to your shampoo, creams, and soap with added benefit. Tea tree oil is a safe, natural, and organic alternative to help tidy and clean your home, as it acts as a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent. It's an all-natural antiseptic, surface cleaner and refresher, especially in steamy, musty areas like the bathroom. Known as Melaleuca alternifolia, the tea tree oil is 100% organic and is produced by steam distilling tea tree leaves, a plant natively found in Australia. Add it to your arsenal to help treat skin issues, even face blemishes like acne. Create a skin-soothing salve by blending 9 drops of tea tree organic and 9 drops of lavender organic with 2 tablespoons of your favorite plant therapy carrier oil and apply to the areas of concern. For skin blemishes, dilute to 5% and apply directly to the blemish. It is also a powerful dandruff-fighting compound that can be used to make tea tree-infused shampoo for healing your scalp. Suffering from fungal infections. The essential oil acts as an effective antifungal solution that can dry up the moisture that makes fungus grow. The Plant Therapy Difference 100% pure and undiluted, USDA certified organic, non-GMO organoleptic and GCMS testing. Batch codes on every bottle. Kit safe and copy. Formulations. We offer a vast selection of oils and blends in a variety of sizes. The 2.5 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml sizes are the perfect amount to test the waters. The 30 ml bottle is a popular size for those that know just how well the oils work. The 100 ml value size is cost-effective and easy on the budget. For ultimate convenience, try the handy roll-ons. In Vivo Lavender Oil USA manufactured premium therapeutic grade 4. Lavender oil is one of my favorite essential oils because it is so versatile. I use it for its beautiful fragrance and calming effects, but I also use it for sore muscles, cuts, burns, and as a bug repellent. The bedroom is the ideal place to use lavender because it's so comforting and sleep-inducing. I add it to my homemade balms and lotions, plus I add a few drops to the bath when I have some extra time to spoil myself. Lavender oil is great to relieve stress and nervous tension, so practically everyone could use a little lavender. I use a lot of lavender throughout my home and at work, and everyone loves it. This brand of oil certainly smells wonderful to me, and it is sold with a satisfaction guarantee. I have been very satisfied with the excellent quality. I was supplied a discounted product to evaluate and review honestly in exchange. I depend on the reviews and ratings of others to help me make purchasing decisions, and I enjoy sharing my product experiences as well. Body Wonders 100% Pure Eucalyptus Essential Oil 4. Eucalyptus oil can be utilized in a diffuser or humidifier as a relaxing bath oil diluted with a carrier oil of your choosing to serve as an aromatherapy massage oil mixed with water to create an insect repellent spray, combined with your own ingredients to create DIY skincare and hair care products. Eucalyptus oil blends well with oils like cedarwood, chamomile, cypress, geranium, ginger, grapefruit, juniper, lavender, lemon, marjoram, peppermint, pine, rosemary, thyme, etc. C4. Yourself why eucalyptus oil is one of the most popular essential oil. Experience the full benefits of eucalyptus with the finest grade of essential oils. Order Body Wonders 100% pure eucalyptus oil 4 ounces bottle today.